Good evening, everyone. This is Patricia, and I'm traveling for history. Not that far, just on my patio. Figured I would show you some of my plants. Actually, all my plants. There's plenty of room to show you all my plants. Growing food I can eat this year. Spinach. This is all spinach in here. Aren't they lovely? And they're getting so big. When I planted them, they were, they're fairly small. That's arugula. That's salvia. I'm not going to be eating that. That's a plant that will attract pollinators. Last year it attracted hummingbirds. Lots and lots of hummingbirds. My cat just went gaga over them. This is kale in front of us. And then over here, more spinach. That's getting nice and big now. I wasn't sure if it was going to die or not. And that there. I have not been out the last couple of days. It's been really hot and humid. I have asthma, and I just can't breathe when it's like that. More kale. Got some more spinach here. Yum. I drink a green smoothie for breakfast each morning, and so I figured I would just grow stuff that I could put in my smoothie. This is a tomato plant. Actually, 2 tomato plants. And of course, you can see my flamingo right here. Yeah, I think it's cute too. What else do I have? Got 2 more tomato plants. Ooh, where we see flowers, it means we have tomatoes growing right behind them. Oh, that's going to be fantastic. Cherry tomatoes, yum yum. This is arugula, and you just cut the leaves off to it doesn't matter if this flowers. Same with this. This is also arugula, but it's got some interesting flowers right there, and there, and even back here. And then this one I cultivated. This is a strawberry plant, and again, where you see flowers, there will be strawberries, and there are 4 flowers right now. This is the sweet variety, which means they are actually particularly sweet, which is good. So I plan to be out and about tomorrow to film some more interesting videos. Some different places. I've been searching for a grave at Lakeview, which is why I've been at Lakeview so much lately. Still haven't found the doggone thing. Such an interesting man. Maybe I'll find it on my 6th visit. We'll see. Until then, though, until the next video, you have a great evening, and I shall see you soon. Bye.